In this video, we talk about Xiaomi 14 Ultra. It's launched on February 2024. The dimensions of Xiaomi 14 Ultra: 6.35 inches, width 2.96 inches, thickness 39 and 9.3 mm, and the weight is 224 grams. The build, front and back glass are eco leather bag and titanium frame. Let's go to the display. It comes with LTPO AMOLED 68 billion color screen type and the screen size is 6.73 inches with 89.6% screen to body ratio. The resolution is 2K and it comes with 120Hz refresh rate with 3000 nits peak of brightness, and the protection is Xiaomi Shield Glass. The platform of this mobile, it comes with Android 14 with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, and the CPU is octa-core Cortex-X4 with Adreno 750 GPU. The memory of this mobile, it comes with 12 plus 16 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs plus 1 TB of ROM. No SD card support in this mobile. Let's go to the camera. It comes with quad camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide 1 inch sensor and 50 megapixel ultra wide, 50 megapixel periscope telephoto and 50 megapixel telephoto, and it has TOF 3D depth sensor, and it records 8K 30fps video with main camera. The selfie camera is 32 megapixel and it records 4K 60fps video with selfie camera. The battery of this mobile, it comes with 5300 mAh battery and 90 watt wired charging, and it supports wireless 80 watt wireless charging and 10 watt reverse wireless charging. The feature of this mobile, it has Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS stereo speaker, USB Type-C, fingerprint under display, NFC, UFS 4.0 and IP68 rating. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra price as $1,490.